Treatment of cough and cold. These are eyes, these are nose, this is mouth, and this hole is the neck area, and this is lungs, and this is in the center, it is heart. So today we are learning the treatment of Sujok, the cold and cough through Sujok correspondence system. We are pressing the correspondence point of nose, then we are massaging neck area. You have to massage until it gets warm. Massage, roll, roll, roll. You have to massage the lungs in the upward direction so that the sputum which is there in the lungs gets go upside towards the neck area. Massage it like this and massage until the area gets warm. Massage, massage, massage. And then after massaging, we have to warm up the areas with this moxibustion. You can take any incandescent light like agarbatti or some and warm up the areas which we have massaged. It will generate heat in that area and melt the cough. Very effective. And then for index finger also you have to massage. This is the Sujok index system. That means, and now we are coming towards the seed therapy. We have taken micropore tape. Take one black pepper seed, put it over the nose area on the thumb near correspondence. And now we have to put a bunch of black peppers, as I am showing you now, on the neck area, such that the circulation becomes fast of the sputum and it comes out. And after that we have to tie the black pepper bundle on each of the lungs like this. Press it nicely so that it sticks. And after putting seeds, we have to massage it in every hour. The tape should not get wet. If it gets wet, immediately remove the tape. Neither you will get harm rather than benefit. This treatment can be done to the old people, to babies of any age, but no pregnant lady should do this treatment. Now we are taking garlic. We can apply garlic on the index area of the finger where we have shown the lungs like this. Cut the garlic from the center and now put tape behind it, and the cut area should stick to the second phalange of the index finger. This way you have to do your seed therapy and your seed therapy is completed now. Now we press the area after doing this, after sticking the seeds, and after this we have to do the moxibustion which we did earlier. Moxibustion should be up to 1 minute, but keep distance between skin and the moxibustion because neither you may burn your finger. Now yes, massage it. Now we are moving to color therapy. We are doing chakras basically here. The head chakra to be done orange, the throat chakra to be done black, and Anhat chakra to be done green. This way our treatment gets completed. You have to do both the treatments alternatively on both the hands one day. And now last we have to do kidney massage. Glide your fingers and do massage over the kidneys. Thank you.